In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Mailerlite. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Forms. This is where Mailerlite keeps the different types of sign-up forms you can build for your audience. Next, switch to the Embedded Forms tab, then click Create Form. You'll now be asked to give your form an internal name. This is mainly for your own organization, so choose something clear and easy to recognize later, like a newsletter sign-up form. After that, make sure the form type is set to embedded form, then click Save and Continue. Now choose the subscriber group where new contacts should be added when someone fills out the form. This is an important step because it helps keep your subscribers organized and makes it easier to send the right campaigns to the right people. Once you've selected the group, click Continue. From here, you can begin customizing the form itself. Update the heading and description so visitors clearly understand what they're signing up for. You can also change the text on the sign up button and add your branding or any other content you want included. The goal here is to make the form feel consistent with your website and easy for visitors to understand. After that, work on the form fields. Click any existing field to edit it or use Add Field if you want to collect more information, such as a name, phone number, or custom field. You can also drag and reorder the field so the form flows in a way that makes sense. In general, keeping the form simple can help improve conversions. Next, open the design settings to adjust the visual style. This is where you can fine-tune the font, colors, background, form layout, field styles, and button style. Take a moment to make sure everything looks polished and matches your brand. Then go into the Settings tab. Here you can enable options like a privacy policy, confirmation checkbox, marketing permissions, interest groups, reCAPTCHA, a custom success page, or hidden segmentation fields. These settings can be especially useful if you want better compliance, cleaner subscriber data, or more control over the sign-up experience. At the top, click Success Message and edit the message subscribers will see after they submit the form successfully. Once that looks good, click Save. Before moving on, preview the form carefully. Check the text, fields, layout, and button to make sure everything is correct. When you're satisfied, click Next to save the form and continue. To install it on your website, open the form's overview page, find the JavaScript snippet or HTML embed option, and copy the code. Then paste that code into your website wherever you want the form to appear. Finally, test the form on your site, enter a test name and email address, submit it, and then check the subscribers section in Mailerlite to confirm the contact was added to the correct group. And that's how to create a form in Mailerlite.